This is Mr. Klein again. This is part 2, finding the area of a larger composite shape using an area model. So first, we're going to pick one of our shapes. I'm going to find the blue shape first. Now for the blue shape, we have 3.5 inches on one side and 6.5 on the other. I'm going to draw an area model. And because both of these numbers are mixed numbers, so they have a fraction and a whole number, I'm going to split this model into 4 parts so that I'm going to put the 3.5 on the side. It doesn't matter if you put it on the side or the top, but the whole number has to go with its fraction in a mixed number. They have to stay together. In this case, they're both 1/2 inches, so it actually could move around, but we're going to put 6 on the top then, and the 1/2 inch. Now we can multiply. Using an area model, we do it like this. We take the numbers that are next to each other and we will multiply the number that is across and immediately over it. So in this box, I multiply the 3 times the 6, and that is 18. In the next box over, I'm going still with the 3 going across, and then I also multiply times the number right above it, 1/2. So 3, and that's a whole number, so we only look at the top part of the fraction here. We can imagine it's 3 over 1. So 3 times 1 on the top, we get 3 over, and then the 2 is unaffected, so 3/2. Going over to the next box down, we're now looking at this row, going across, the 1/2 times, and whatever number is above it. So at the top we have a 6, so 6 times 1/2. We'll only look at the top because this is a whole number. So 6 over 2, 6/2. Finally, we have 1/2 going across, and then also going down we have 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Now, it can help when we add these to turn them into mixed numbers now when the numbers are small. Into mixed numbers before we add them up. Or we can do it a little different way. But I'm going to talk about that in the next video. This just shows how to find the parts in the area model.